The 10 Best Cucumber Salad Recipes for Weight Loss 2025. Looking for a quick and delicious way to shed those extra pounds? What if I told you that just one ingredient could transform your salads and supercharge your weight loss? Stay tuned as I reveal the 10 best cucumber salad recipes that will help you feel full, stay healthy, and hit your goals faster than you think. Welcome back to Healthy Habits Haven. Today, we're diving into one of the most refreshing and versatile veggies out there, the cucumber. It's low in calories, high in water content, and packed with essential vitamins. These 10 cucumber salad recipes are not only delicious, but they'll help you stay on track with your weight loss goals without feeling deprived. So whether you're looking for a light lunch or a healthy side dish, you're in the right place. Let's get into it. The 10 Best Cucumber Salad Recipes for Weight Loss 2025. 10. Cucumber and Apple Cider Vinegar Detox Salad. End your day with a detox. This cucumber salad, with apple cider vinegar, helps cleanse the body and improve digestion. It's under 50 calories per serving and perfect for an evening snack that won't weigh you down. Ingredients: 2 cucumbers, sliced 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1/4 of a teaspoon honey, salt and pepper to taste. Steps: place the sliced cucumbers in a bowl. In a small bowl, whisk together apple cider vinegar, olive oil, honey, salt, and pepper. Pour the dressing over the cucumbers and toss to coat evenly. Let the salad sit for 5 to 10 minutes to absorb the flavors, then serve. Studies show that apple cider vinegar can help reduce fat storage and improve insulin sensitivity by up to 34%. This salad is a perfect detox before bed. 9. Cucumber and Watermelon Salad. For a refreshing summer option, try cucumber and watermelon. The high water content in both ingredients makes this salad super hydrating and under 70 calories per serving. Perfect for a hot day. Ingredients: 2 cucumbers, sliced 2 cups watermelon, cubed 1/4 cup mint leaves, chopped 1 tablespoon lime juice, salt to taste. Steps: in a large bowl, combine the sliced cucumbers and cubed watermelon. Add the chopped mint leaves. Drizzle with lime juice and gently toss to combine. Sprinkle with a pinch of salt and serve chilled for a refreshing treat. Picture yourself lounging by the pool, and instead of reaching for a sugary drink, you grab this light and refreshing salad. It's sweet, crisp, and keeps you cool. 8. Creamy Cucumber and Dill Yogurt Salad. Craving something creamy? Greek yogurt adds richness without the fat. This cucumber and dill salad offers probiotics from the yogurt and only 110 calories per serving. It's great for digestion and weight loss. Ingredients: 2 cucumbers, sliced 1/2 cup Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoon fresh dill, chopped 1 tablespoon lemon juice, salt and pepper to taste. Steps: in a bowl, mix the sliced cucumbers with Greek yogurt. Add the fresh dill and lemon juice. Stir gently to combine all ingredients. Season with salt and pepper. Chill in the refrigerator for 10 to 15 minutes before serving for extra flavor. You're coming home after a long day, and all you want is comfort food. This creamy cucumber dill salad gives you the creamy texture you crave without the heaviness. 7. Cucumber and Quinoa Power Bowl. For a more filling option, add some quinoa to your cucumber salad. Quinoa is a complete protein and balances well with the lightness of cucumbers. With 250 calories per serving, it's perfect for a full meal that keeps you full for hours. Ingredients: 1 cup cooked quinoa, cooled 2 cucumbers, sliced 1/2 red bell pepper, diced 1/4 cup parsley, chopped 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 tablespoon olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. Steps: in a large bowl, combine the cooked quinoa, sliced cucumbers, and diced red bell pepper. Add the chopped parsley on top. Drizzle with lemon juice and olive oil. Toss to combine, ensuring all ingredients are mixed evenly. Season with salt and pepper and serve chilled or at room temperature. Quinoa contains 8 grams of protein per cup, making it an excellent addition to this salad for sustained energy and fat burning. 6. Spicy Cucumber and Radish Salad. Looking to spice things up? Add thinly sliced cucumbers and a sprinkle of chili flakes to your cucumber salad. This combo speeds up your metabolism, and with only 80 calories per serving, it's a zesty way to burn fat. Ingredients: 2 cucumbers, sliced 5 radishes, Thinly sliced 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 tablespoon lime juice, half a teaspoon chili flakes, salt and pepper to taste. Steps. Combine the sliced cucumber and radishes in a bowl. Drizzle with olive oil and lime juice. Sprinkle chili flakes over the salad and toss gently to combine. Season with salt and pepper. Serve immediately for a fresh, spicy kick. You're at a picnic, and everyone's munching on chips. You pull out your spicy cucumber and radish salad, and not only is it healthier, but it also turns heads with its vibrant colors and bold flavors. 5. Asian-inspired cucumber salad. Need a flavor boost? This salad uses cucumbers, sesame seeds, soy sauce, and rice vinegar to give you a burst of umami flavor without the extra calories. At just 90 calories per serving, it's a low-calorie snack you'll love. Ingredients. 2 cucumbers, sliced 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon rice vinegar, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, 1 teaspoon sesame seeds, 1/4 of a teaspoon chili flakes, optional. Steps. Place the sliced cucumbers in a bowl. In a small bowl, whisk together soy sauce, rice vinegar, sesame oil, and chili flakes. If using, pour the dressing over the cucumbers and toss to combine. Sprinkle with sesame seeds and serve immediately or let it sit for 10 minutes to absorb flavors. Imagine you're craving takeout but don't want the added sodium and calories. This Asian-inspired cucumber salad gives you all the flavor without the guilt. 4. Cucumber and chickpea protein salad. If you need more protein, this cucumber and chickpea combo has you covered. Chickpeas are high in fiber and protein, making this a filling option at 200 calories per serving. Perfect for after a workout or a midday meal. Ingredients. 2 cucumbers, sliced 1 canned chickpeas, drained and rinsed 1/2 red onion, diced 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, salt and pepper to taste. Steps. In a bowl, mix the cucumbers, chickpeas, and diced red onion. Drizzle with olive oil and lemon juice. Toss gently to coat the salad evenly. Season with salt and pepper. Serve chilled or at room temperature. Let's say you've just finished a workout and need a post-exercise meal that won't blow your calorie budget. The chickpeas in this salad help repair muscles, while cucumbers keep it light and refreshing. 3. Cucumber avocado salad. Rich, creamy, and satisfying. This salad pairs cucumber with healthy fats from avocado, plus a squeeze of lime juice for zing. Ingredients. 2 cucumbers, sliced 1 ripe avocado, diced 1/4 cup cilantro, chopped 1 tablespoon lime juice, 1 tablespoon olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. Steps. Combine the sliced cucumbers and diced avocado in a bowl. Sprinkle chopped cilantro over the mixture. Drizzle with lime juice and olive oil. Gently toss to combine, being careful not to mash the avocado. Season with salt and pepper and serve immediately. The healthy fats in the avocado keep you feeling full, and with only 150 calories per serving, it's a nutrient-packed powerhouse. Did you know adding avocado to your salads can increase nutrient absorption by up to 4 times? That means your body is getting the most out of every bite. 2. Greek cucumber salad. For something a bit heartier, try a Greek cucumber salad. With cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, olives, and feta cheese, it's packed with flavor and healthy fats. Ingredients. 2 cucumbers, sliced 1 cup cherry tomatoes, halved 1/4 cup olives, halved 1/4 cup feta cheese, crumbled 2 tablespoon olive oil, 1 tablespoon red wine vinegar, 1 teaspoon oregano, salt and pepper to taste. Steps. In a bowl, mix the sliced cucumbers, halved cherry tomatoes, and olives. Add the crumbled feta cheese on top. In a separate small bowl, whisk together the olive oil, red wine vinegar, oregano, salt, and pepper. Drizzle the dressing over the salad and toss to combine. Serve chilled. While feta adds a bit more calories, around 200 calories per serving, it also boosts satiety, helping you avoid unnecessary snacking. Picture this. You're craving something savory but don't want to ruin your calorie count. A Greek cucumber salad satisfies your taste buds while keeping you on track. 1. Classic cucumber and tomato salad. Starting with a classic, this simple cucumber and tomato salad combines fresh cucumbers, juicy tomatoes, and a hint of red onion with olive oil and lemon juice. Ingredients. 2 cucumbers, sliced 2 tomatoes, chopped 1/2 red onion, thinly sliced 2 tablespoon olive oil, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, salt and pepper to taste. Steps. In a large bowl, combine the sliced cucumbers, chopped tomatoes, and red onion. Drizzle with olive oil and lemon juice. Toss the salad gently to coat the veggies evenly. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Serve immediately or refrigerate for a more chilled salad. At just 100 calories per serving, it's the perfect light meal. The fiber in the cucumber and the lycopene in the tomatoes work together to promote fat loss while keeping you full. Plus, the olive oil adds healthy fats that aid in nutrient absorption. Imagine you're meal prepping for the week, and you want a quick salad you can grab from the fridge. This one stays fresh for days, making it an easy go-to for lunch. And there you have it. 10 delicious cucumber salad recipes that not only taste amazing but also support your weight loss goals. Whether you're preparing for a busy week or looking for a light snack, cucumbers can be your secret weapon. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Healthy Habits Haven for more healthy recipes and weight loss tips. And let me know in the comments, which cucumber salad are you excited to try first?